If you're a DevOps engineer wrestling with manual deployments that break under pressure, inconsistent staging environments, or rollback chaos costing hours of sleep, this is your lifeline. The GitOps Workflow Pack arms you with Argo CD configuration for continuous deployment pipelines, Flux CD GitOps toolkit integration, automated environment sync validation, and zero downtime rollback frameworks baked into battle-tested YAML templates. Site reliability engineers fighting drift detection battles, cloud architects designing multi-cluster workflows, and platform teams standardizing CI/CD pipelines. Imagine syncing infrastructure state across 100 plus nodes with a single Git commit. No more works on my machine excuses when production's on fire. Here's what's inside the GitOps Workflow Pack. Argo CD setup for declarative cluster management, Flux CD toolkit implementation with source controller repositories, environment promotion workflows using progressive delivery manifests, automated rollback strategies with Helm chart versioning, sync automation modules for drift detection. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere. Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. From initial setup to production-grade hardening, this pack gives you the full stack visibility and control you've been missing in your deployment pipeline. Installing the GitOps Workflow Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add gitops-workflow-pack. That's it. The entire workflow downloads instantly. All phases, manifests, and rollback logic. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now understands Argo CD sync contexts, Flux CD reconciliation loops, and can auto-generate rollback playbooks. No more 3 a.m. panic when a deployment melts. Just git reset and grab coffee while the machines fix it. Your infrastructure is about to get a whole lot smarter.